In today's video, I'll show you how to use Granola AI with Zoom. First, make sure to download the Granola app on your device. Visit the official Granola website and download the app for macOS or Windows, depending on your device. Once the download and installation are complete, sign in using your Google or Microsoft account. Connect your calendar to enable auto-detection of Zoom meetings. Next, open your Zoom app and launch your meeting as usual. On the home page, you can choose New Meeting, where you are the host, or Join Meeting, where you can join using a meeting ID. For this video, we'll use New Meeting, then wait for it to connect. Usually, a Granola notification will appear when you open Zoom. Click it to start taking notes during the meeting. Alternatively, you can open the Granola app manually and use split screen on your laptop so you can take notes more easily. Click the New Note button in the Granola app once the meeting has started. You can now start writing your notes. At the same time, Granola will automatically transcribe the meeting conversation. You can see this by clicking Show Transcript below, indicated by the dancing green icon. Click it to view the transcription. You can also pause and resume the transcription if needed. Once the meeting is finished, click the box icon next to the transcript to stop recording. Then click Generate Notes. Granola will process the audio and create a structured summary, including key decisions and action items. Review the generated notes. You can apply a template if you want. To do this, click the Enhance Notes icon, then click All Templates. Scroll down, choose a template, click it, and then click Apply Template. Granola will start regenerating your notes. After that, go back to the home screen and you will see your newly generated notes. And that's it. That's how you use Granola AI with Zoom.